Welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you a division trick why with which you can divide any number or by 13 without doing the actual division method. Okay, trust me, it's going to be like super easy. All you have to do is I'll just write down this. So first, whatever is your question, you will multiply that by 7, and your whatever answer you get, let's say that is B. You will multiply this by 11. Whatever answer you get over here is Y. Okay, then you will do y minus 1, that gets you z. That is the first part of your answer. Okay, then you do what? 9's complement of z. So here that will get you what? Let's say that's x. So that is the second part. Now all of you all must be wondering what is 9's complement. Okay, let's erase this as of now. I will do this later. So what we'll do over here is, see, let's say if you had 157 as the first part of your answer, then your 9's complement would now be what? How many numbers you need to add to 1 to get a 9? That is 8. How many numbers you need to add to 5? That gets you 9. That gets you 4. You need to add how many digits to 7 to get a 9? That is 2. So this is your 9's complement. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. So now let's begin with this. This is like super easy. 7 divided by 13. Okay, so again, what we'll do, this is your question. So 7 into 7 gets you 49. Then we do 49 into 11. So that is very easy. That gets you 4. Then 4 plus 9 gets you 13. So 1 carry and 9. So your final answer then comes out to be what? 539 minus 1 gets you 538. So your first part of your answer is what? 0.538. Now why 0 point? Because 7 is smaller than 13, so I'm going to do 0 point. Okay, now the second part will be what? Complement of 9's complement. 9's complement of 538, that gets you 4. You need to add 6 to 3 to get a 9 and 1. So 461. This is your answer when you divide 7 by 13. Okay, now for those, let's try and do this by for a decimal. Okay, so again this will be what? um First, as of now, let me just do this. We will write this as nothing but what? 3 divided by 13. As of now, we'll take it as 3 divided by 13. Okay, forget the decimal point. Okay, so here this will start again with what? 0 point, because 3 is smaller than 13. The first step is what? Multiply by 7. So 3 into 7 gets you 21. Then we do 21 into 11. That gets you what? 2. 2 plus 1 gets you 3, and then 1. Okay, then what you do is 231 minus 1, that gets you 230. So the final answer is what? 230 is the first part. Then 9's complement. 9's complement will be what? 769. So 769. Okay, but that is the answer for what? 3 divided by 13. So in order to find 0.3 divided by 13, we will divide the answer, whatever you got, 0.2300769, by 10. So your final answer for this one comes out to be 0.02300769. Okay, I hope you'll have understood how to do this. Literally you can do this, only once you get the hang of it. Okay, please remember, there are few things you need to remember. Don't mess up. You need to first multiply by 7. Whatever answer you get, you multiply that by 11. Whatever answer you get, you subtract 1 from it. That gets you the first part of your answer, and then you do 9's complement to get the second part of your answer. If you see, you actually got 6 digits in your final answer, and literally you would at least take more than 1 minute to solve this with the traditional method of this. Okay, so if you're liking how I'm explaining, please go ahead and hit the like button, because that gives me tremendous amount of encouragement in doing these kind of videos. Also, don't forget, at the end I'm going to put up a DIY question whose answers you all can mention in the comment section. So now I'm sure you all must be wondering what happens when the number is bigger. So here we have 88. So you will have to do little bit division over here. So here we know 6 will get you 78. 13 into 6 gets you 78. So what is the remainder? That is 10 divided by 13. So now what we'll do is we'll look for 10 divided by 13. So again we'll do 10 into 7. That gets you 70. Now 70 into 11 gets you 770. 770 minus 1 gets you 769. And 9's complement will get you 230. Okay, so I hope you got how to do this. So we have 6 point, obviously 10 divided by 13 is nothing but what? First part will be 769 and the second part will be 230. You saw how easily you could do this. You can actually use a calci and check whether this is the answer you get when you divide 88 by 13. Okay, now for this only, if you had this was as nothing but what, 0.88 divided by 13, then in that case what you would have done is you would put, divide this answer by what, 100. So this would now be what, 0.06769 230. Okay, so please understand that would be the way of solving for decimal. Whenever you have some, all these tricks whatever I'm showing is actually used for numbers only, but when you have a decimal point you just adjust the decimal point according to the one which is given in your question. Okay, so now we have what, 1.32. Again we will take this as nothing but what, 132 divided by 13. So again, 13 tens are gets you 130. So 2 and 13. Okay, so let's do 2 divided by 13 first. So that gets you what? 2 into 7 gets you 14. 14 into 11 gets you 154. 154 minus 1 will get you 153. 9's complement will be what? 8, 4, 6. So this answer for this one is what? 10.153846. Sorry. Now since you want for 1.32, means you need to divide this by what? 100. So your answer now comes out to be 0.10153846. So you saw how easily you can do this. Okay, so now for your DIY, please tell me what will be the answer for 69 divided by 13, or I'll do 6.9 divided by 13. Yeah. Please let me know your answers in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.